The energy transition is at its tipping point. Renewable energies are essential to the journey, and as renewables continue to grow, the energy industry must be ready with flexible, reliable, and intelligent solutions that can meet the complex challenges of today and tomorrow. By integrating the energy generated from a diverse mix of sources the right way, we can deliver dispatchable green energy when and where it's needed, all while maximizing value.
How do we take what renewables has to offer and make it more dispatchable? Being able to do this and get to dispatchable power while at the same time maintaining system stability and reliability from a grid standpoint is really what hybrid solutions are about.
Renewable energy hybrids can deliver reliable, affordable, and dispatchable renewable energies, driving the transition to a clean energy future.
I consider hybridization anytime you're putting together more than one asset behind a point of interconnect. These can be wind, solar, storage, hydro, gas turbines. Any way you mix those assets together to give you a complete solution is hybridization. And why that's important is individual renewable assets on their own can be challenged with low capacity factors, curtailments, inability to support grid services that are out there. But if we move towards the hybridization, we can bring all that to bear.
Combining wind, solar, and other renewable energies with effective energy storage enables an overall higher capacity factor, boosting availability for the plant while delivering dispatchable renewable energy to the grid. As the sun shines during the day and the wind blows at night, the battery system stores the excess energy generated and then discharges it during peak demand periods. GE's newly launched Flex portfolio provides the renewable hybrids our customers need to enable dispatchable green megawatt hours.
GE's Flex IQ is a digital platform that optimizes operations and fleet management to create more value for a hybrid plant. It consists of hybrid controls, which are the brain that speak to the grid and understand its needs, and then deploy the assets to get the energy needed currently by the grid, creating more value.
Flex Inverter is our utility-scale renewable energy power electronics platform for both solar and battery energy storage. It stems from a long history of electrification in other industries as well as renewable energy. Flex Reservoir is our utility-scale battery energy storage platform that, coupled together with Flex Inverter, allows us to deploy it in a variety of different ways.
Our customers are looking for the most effective way to take solar energy and deliver it directly to a vehicle. We were able to take PV energy directly from the solar panel, put it into a battery, and then deliver it directly into an EV charger for vehicle charging any time of the day or night.
GE's Flex portfolio delivers with a variety of flexible, reliable, and intelligent solutions to help renewable energies function reliably for the success of the energy transition today and tomorrow.